Hello, I am Reverend Cheyenne Kramer, and this is How to Build Kingdom Business. So glad that you're hanging with me as we continue through this little video series. So today's video is learning to quickly adjust your plan. If you are working on building a kingdom business, be aware right up front. The world changes quickly and often, but God will help you quickly adjust your plan if things aren't going quite the way you want. Sometimes you can be going along, you could be building things, you think things are going really well, and this little concept comes along that I call flat forehead syndrome. It's one of those things where you just keep running into brick walls. And yes, it can provide a headache. And I recommend highly that you stop running into those walls. The only way to be able to get over, around, and through those walls, it requires us to experiment with new ideas to find out where God is directing us. Because you've heard it before, and I'll say it again, whenever God closes a door, he opens a window. But it's been said that too often we spend so much time staring at the closed door that we never see the window that's opened for us. It does require us to utilize left and right brain approaches. So here's kind of the basics of how you get around this. Brainstorm for two lists. One is things that you know how to do right now to continue experimenting with new possibilities for whatever that vision is that the creator gave to you. The other one, the other list is your don't know list. These are things that you don't know how to do right now. And you may feel a little frustrated by that. But here's a real key to this. Do not get hung up on the things you don't know how to do. This creates analysis paralysis and it gets you nowhere. So instead, start taking action on the things you know how to do. Hit 2 or 3 action steps out of the list that you wrote of things you know you can do right now to keep you moving forward. And then take note of the doors that open, the positive comments that you hear, whatever the things are that come your way. And make sure that you're also taking note of where the doors close in your face. You kind of get butted up against that flat forehead again. Adjust your plan to include these new open doors and take the things out of the way where the doors have been closing for you. That's a quick and dirty, but it's absolutely imperative. Make sure you continue to brainstorm things you know how to do, brainstorm things you don't know how to do. And actually, I believe you should just make a big old X through that list of things you don't know how to do. Because here's the funny part, as you focus more on the things you do know how to do, you'll start to find answers to the things you didn't know how to do. Now, isn't that an amazing thing? Wow. Make sure you look under the description of this video and see the information on how you can be able to schedule a free consultation with me to help you launch or build your kingdom business. Because here's the thing, you only fail when you quit. So the secret is don't quit. If God led you to it, he's going to lead you through it. And that is just the truth of the matter. So hang around for the next video in this playlist, because the next one we're going to talk about how to deal with those disappointments. Because I promise you'll have some that come along, but we will tell you how to deal with them and how to keep moving forward. I am Reverend Cheyenne Kramer, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a great day.